Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Sid Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kaddevaru, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. So children, let us start with chapter 6, decimals. In the last video we had studied few concepts. Now let us study the remaining. Students, today we are going to study about addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. First let us start with addition. So children, adding the numbers is same as you do previously. The only difference is you have to place the decimal point one below the other. So let us see how to do. Write the digits of the given number below one another such that the decimal point lies in the vertical line, that is 14.02. Next we have 198.3. So place the decimal point as it is, and here we have 3, place 3. Next we have 198, 891. Here we don't have anything, so I will just place 0. Again place this decimal here as it is. What we have after decimal? 0, 5, 4, and before that 4, 9, 3. Now we don't have here anything, so place 0. Here also 0. Now we have placed, and now start adding. Whenever you are adding, place the decimal point just below it. So children, now we have converted all these three numbers into like decimals. Now start adding. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 plus 5 is 7, and this 3 as it is. 4 plus 8 we have 12. 12 plus 4 we have 16. So give 1 carry and 6 as it is. Next 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 9 11. 11 plus 9 20. So 2 carry and give 0. Next 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. We got the answer. So children, I have taken another example here for addition. Now same procedure you have to follow. Write the number as it is, followed with a decimal number which will come just one below the other. Place a decimal point one below the other. Here we have 75, and before that we have 80, that is 0, 8. Next number, place the decimal point 50, place it here. Next we have 1493, that is 3941. Now add it. If you are not finding it easy, what you do? Place 0 so that all the three numbers become the like decimals. Now add. 0 plus 5 plus 0 we have 5. 4 plus 7 we have 11. 11 plus 5 16. Give 1 carry here. Next decimal as it is. Next 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 9. Next 8 plus 9 we have 17. Give 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 4 is 7, and this one as it is. So we have the answer 1779.65. Whenever you are reading the numbers which come after decimal point, don't read it as 65. It has to be read as 65. Students, next we have subtraction of decimal numbers. First example is 8.93 from 13.94. So from this number you have to subtract this. So write down first this number, that is 13.94 minus 8.93. Place the decimal just below as it is, 8.93. Now subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. Place decimal as it is. Now in 3 can you subtract 8? No. So it becomes 13, and this becomes 0. So 13 minus 8 you get 5, and this 0 as it is. So the answer is 5.01. Next example, 191.765 from 843.92. So first write down this number. It is 843.92 minus 191.765. Now children, make this as 0 so that both becomes like fractions. Now this 0 becomes 10. 2 will be 1. Next 10 minus 5 is 5. So can you subtract 1 from 6? No. So what you will do? You will borrow from here and this becomes 11. 11 minus 6 you get 5. 8 minus 7 1. Place the decimal point. 3 minus 1 is 2. Next, from 4 can you subtract 9? No. So it becomes 14 and when you borrow it becomes 7. 14 minus 9 you get 5 and 7 minus 1 you get 6. So the answer is 652.155. Let us take some other example. They may give you questions like this, that is 492 kg 500 grams minus 283 kg 650 grams. Here there is no from, isn't it, directly minus. So take this number as first number 492 kgs and this is in grams. So it becomes the decimal part. So write 0.500. Similarly this one 283.650. Now subtract 0 minus 0 you get 0. Next this becomes 10, this becomes 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. From 4 can you subtract 6? No. So what you will do? Borrow from here and this becomes 14. 14 minus 6 it is 8. Place the decimal as it is. Again can you subtract 1 from 3? No. So it becomes 8 and this is 11. 11 minus 3 again 8. 8 minus 8 0. 4 minus 2 2. So your answer is 208.850 or you can also write 208 kgs 850 grams as it is given in the question. Next we have another question. 10.0008 minus 0.007. So write it 0.0008 minus 0.007. Now children, how will you subtract? Now add 0 to make it a like decimal. 8 minus 0 is 8. Next this becomes 10, this becomes 9. Again this becomes 9 and this also becomes 9 and this will be 0, isn't it? So 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 as it is, 9 as it is, 0.9 as it is. I hope you have understood this carryover. So the answer will be 9.9938. So children, this is how we are going to add and subtract the given decimal numbers.